guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add GIFs to your videos on CapCut Browser. Now this is the browser app, the browser like the website and not the app. So you are just going to select a video, any video that you want, and you're going to go to library, and there will be this like GIFy option. I don't really know how to pronounce it still yet. There's like two ways, but select this like arrow, and here you can like search for the GIF that you want to search for. And there's also these trendy ones, so maybe like flowers, you can like search it up. You can search up GIFs or stickers. Here stickers are basically like more PNG, I think, if you add them on. I'm not quite sure, so let's try this one. So you basically want to just like load them and add it to your track like so. And it is a transparent like background. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!